board is not sensing the correct thing, so it looks like it's the board that's bad. Because, watch, we're going to show you, watch this. So if I were to unhook it, boom. Now it would sense that as an open and it's going to automatically shut it off. Alright. Okay, now let's restart it again after a second. I got that plugged back in. Let's see what the control board tells us. If it flashes 4 lights again, then we know that that's bad. Okay, it's showing it no error code yet. Well, hold on, here it goes. The igniter just came on. I was working. The board was confused there for a minute, but now it looks like it's wanting to work. After I unplugged some things and plugged them back in, it seemed like it reset the board. Looks like the board was just confused for a minute. I guess reset it. Now it seems to be working. That may be all that was needed, because everything's checking out so far. Now we need to run it a while and make sure it's not overheating somewhere else. So we're gonna just wash it for a little bit and make sure it doesn't hit and there's no other issues. But we clearly see that it was between that high pressure high limits and the control board, but it looks like it's working now. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn it off one more time for a minute. I'm gonna have her run the AC too, because she says that's leaking. I want to observe the leak. That'll be the next phase of this. Come back. Janet also complained that there's a leak in the air AC unit, but I don't see any leaks at all. Nothing. Nothing leaking from the drain. So I don't know right now on that. Since we're not using the AC anymore, I would say when you get to use it again, then maybe look at it, because all this would have to come apart to even look into that. I ain't about to do that. It's time for heat this season, so we're just going to worry about the heater working. So that's what we're going to focus on. Okay.
So when you had the heat on, it's supposed to be on fan auto, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. It's on fan auto.
Yeah. You got it on heat? Once again, we have a good light. We solved the problem. What we probably have is a port connection somewhere by me unplugging the plugs where the limit switches are, plugging it back in. Seemed to solve that problem.
Did it pop back on?
Oh yeah, right away. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Yep, you got your air up there again. Should be having, if it ain't blowing yet, it will in a second.